Good morning everyone. Let us start. Today we shall discuss about two very important in-text questions of chapter 1, India, size and location. Now I shall present my screen. So here we have the two in-text question, okay, of your textbook. So this is chapter 1, India, size and location. So these two questions, okay, are given in your textbook. Okay, so let us read and know, okay, about it in detail. See, the first question is why 82 degree 30-minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Okay, why 82 degree 30-minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. You know standard meridian, so this is the line of longitude, okay, from which the standard time of a country is determined. Okay, so here we have the answer, and in the meantime let me explain you about it. Okay, so this 82 degree 30-minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India because, okay, number A, the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7-minute east to 97 degree 25-minute east. Okay, that means the difference between the two is roughly 30 degree, as you have learned in the previous day. Okay, and this meridian passes through the center of India. One main reason is that the 82 degree 30-minute east is passing through the center of India. Okay, as you see here, so we have to see this map, okay, given in your textbook, and see here this line, as you have learned earlier. I have also shown you in the previous day. So this line, okay, this line represents the standard meridian of India. Okay, its value is given here 82 degree 30-minute east, and you see this line passes through middle of India. Okay, so this standard meridian passes through the middle of India. That means it divides India into two equal halves. Okay, and again you must know that the east-west extent of India is given here. Okay, as mentioned in the answer. See, the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7-minute east to 97 degree 25-minute east. Okay, that means, see here, we have this 68 degree 7-minute east here. Okay, this is 68 is here, 68. So this line of longitude is 68 degree east, and here we have 68 degree 7-minute east to 97.25. Okay, so here we have 96, and this is 97 degree 25-minute east. So if you subtract, okay, if you subtract 68 degree 7-minute from 97 degree 25-minute, okay, you will get 29 degree 18 minutes. That means roughly 30 degree. Okay, so the difference between the longitudinal difference between the west and the east is roughly 30 degree. okay, as given here, roughly 30 degree. That means east-west extent of India is big, and that is why, okay, the standard meridian which is passing through the middle of the country, that is 82 degree, okay, 30-minute east, has been selected as the standard meridian of India. So this is one of the reasons. And the second point is that there is an understanding among the countries of the world that the degree of meridian should be divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes. Okay, so here we have this international agreement. Okay, we have an agreement among the countries of the world that while selecting the standard meridian of a country, the standard meridian should be divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes. Hence, we have been selecting this 82 degree 30 minutes east as the standard meridian of India. Now let us check it. Okay, let us divide it. See here, before we start, you must know that as I told you earlier, okay, for every 15 degree of longitude, we have a time difference of 1 hour. Okay, that means 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. For every 15 degree of longitude, we have a time difference of 1 hour. That means for 30 degree, we know that the difference between the east-west extent of India is 30 degree. So for 30 degree, we have 2 hours. Okay, we have a time difference of 2 hours. Since 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. Okay, or 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Again, if you divide it, okay, so here for every 1 degree longitude, we have a time difference of 4 minutes. Therefore, if you multiply 30 degree, okay, if you multiply 30 degree by 4 minutes, then we will get 120 minutes. 30 multiplied by 4 is 120. And to get this hour, we have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide it by 60 minutes. So 120 by 60, you will get hour. That means 2 hours. That means the time difference between the east and the west of India is 2 hours. And that is why we have been selecting the standard meridian which is passing through the middle of India as the standard meridian of India. And about the second point, okay, is given here. It should be divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes. Now let us divide it. So the standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east. So this is the standard meridian. And 7 degree 30 minute, this is the factor, scale factor or the divisor, okay. And so see here we have to convert this 82 degree into minutes. See, for example, see 82 multiplied by 60 plus 30, because we have to convert these degrees into minutes. Okay, we have to convert into the same units. After this, we get 4,950. Okay, 82 multiplied by 60, that is 49, this 20, then plus 30 is 4950. Okay, then 7 degree multiplied by 60, then plus 30, we get 450. So if you divide 4,950 by 450, you will get 11. That means we don't find a remainder. That means it is divisible. Okay, this 82 degree 30 minute is divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes, and hence this meridian has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Just see how to divide it. say for example this for 4950, okay, is here, then it is divided by this 450, then 1, then 450, then again we get 450, then again 1, then 450, and we don't get remainder. That means it is divisible. Or another method is that, so here 30, this 30 minute we can assume this 0.5, since we have 60 minutes in 1 degree. Okay, we know that in 1 degree we have 60 minutes. That means 30 minutes is equal to 0.5. Okay, so IT2 degree 30 minutes is equal to IT2.5. So IT2.5 divided by the 7.5, that is 7 degree 30 minutes, is equal to 11. So in this way we can check it. Okay, are you clear? Any question from your side, boys and girls? Okay, if you don't have questions, so let us continue. So point number 3, this enables us to overcome the difference of 2 hours of time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. So we have learned that the time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 2 hours, that we have just calculated. Okay, as given here, the time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 2 hours, because the longitudinal difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 30 degrees. Okay, see, because as I mentioned you earlier, the sun traverses 15 degree of longitude per hour, or 1 degree of longitude for every 4 minutes of time. That calculation already done. Okay, then the last point, so to avoid the confusion of time and to have the same time in the whole of India, standard meridian was chosen at such longitude that the time there has been taken as a standard time. So to avoid the confusion of time and to have the same time in the whole country, okay, so we need to have a same time in the whole country to avoid the confusion. Okay, the standard meridian, that is IT2 degree 30 minutes east, has been chosen, okay, as the standard time for India. So this is the answer of this in-text question. Okay, and here we have some more information about the general rules for selecting the standard meridian. Okay, see, let us read. In order to maintain uniformity of time as far as possible within the territorial limits of a country, the time at the central meridian of the country is taken as the standard meridian, and its local time is taken as the standard time for the whole country. This is rule number 1. Okay, for the selection of the standard meridian of a country. Then the second point, the second rule is that the standard meridian is selected in a manner that it is divisible by 150 degree or 7 degree 30 minutes, so that the difference between its standard time and a Greenwich Mean Time may be expressed as multiples of an hour or half an hour. Okay, so to get the difference between the standard time of a country and a Greenwich Mean Time in multiples of hour or half an hour, okay, the standard meridian selected must be divisible by 150 degree or 7 degree 30 minutes. Okay, Greenwich, you know, so this is 0 degree longitude, okay, which passes through England. Okay, and next we have the standard time is calculated. See here, this is the example. The Indian standard time is calculated from IT2 degree 30 minute east meridian passing through Mirzapur, mentioned in your book. Okay, therefore Indian standard time is plus 5:30 hours from Greenwich Mean Time. That means the time difference between Indian standard time and Greenwich Mean Time is 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, see here, that means IT2 degree 30 minutes multiplied by 4 and divided by 60 is 5 hours 30 minutes. So let us check it. See here. So Indian standard time, okay, IST is plus 5 hours 30 minutes from Greenwich Mean Time. So here, this is the Indian meridian, okay, standard meridian, Indian standard meridian, that is IT2 degree 30 minutes multiplied by 4, because 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Remember, okay, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, and that is why we are multiplying it by 4. And to get the hour, we have to divide it by 60 minutes, okay, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. As I told you, since we have this 60 minutes in a degree, okay, so 30 minutes is equal to 0.5, okay, and that is why say IT2.5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 330, okay, and if you divide it by 60 minutes, then we get it 5.5, that is 5 hours 30 minutes, okay, because 30 minutes is equal to half of degree or 0.5 degree, okay, for 0.5 this degree. As I told you, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and if you divide it, see here, if you divide the 330 by 60, okay, 330 by 60, then so if you take 5, okay, 500, then 5 6 are 30, that means 300, and so it becomes 0, then just drop 3, that is 30 minutes. So the remainder will be the minutes, okay, the quotient would be the hour, and the remainder would be the minutes. That means 5 hours 30 minutes, okay. So in this way, we are selecting IT2 degree 30 minute east as the standard meridian of India, okay. Similarly, all countries of the world choose the standard meridian within their territory to determine the time within their administrative boundaries. And the last point you must know is that the countries with large east-west span must choose more than one standard meridian to get more than one time zone, such as Russia, Canada, United States of America. If a country has a very big east-west extent, so it is better to select more than one standard meridian, because the time difference between the east and the west may be more than 5 hours or 10 hours. In that case, we better to select more than one standard meridian. So this Russia, for example, Russia, Canada, United States of America, these countries have more than one standard meridian, and hence they have more than one standard time, okay. So these are the important general rules for selecting the standard meridians of a country. So before we start the question number 2, do you have any question? Are you clear? Okay, if you don't have questions, then let me proceed. Okay, here is the second one, the second in-text question mentioned in your textbook. Why is the difference between the duration of day and the night hardly felt at Kanakumari but not so in Kashmir? Okay, why is the time difference between, that is the difference between the duration of day and the night, hardly felt at Kanakumari but not so in Kashmir? First, let us read the answer. After that, I will explain. Okay. Here, reasons are given here. So, number one reason is that the difference in the duration of day and the night at Kanakumari and Kashmir is due to their latitudinal location. So we have learned that Kanakumari is located nearby the equator and Jammu and Kashmir is far away from the equator. And if we move away from the equator towards the pole, the difference between the duration of daytime and the nighttime will be increased. Okay, at the equator, say the daytime equals with the nighttime. But if you move away from the equator towards the poles, then the difference in the duration of day and the night will be increased. So this is point number one. Then number B, Kanakumari is located closer to the equator. That is 8 degrees north and experiences maximum differences of 45 minutes between day and night. Okay, so at Kanakumari, the maximum differences of daytime and nighttime is only 45 minutes. Just see, have a look of this map. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir is here. Jammu and Kashmir is here. Okay, and it is located between this 32 degree north to 36 degree north. Okay, whereas Kanakumari is here. Kanakumari is here and it is located at 8 degree. And after this, here we have equator, 0 degree. Okay, so Kanakumari is located nearby the equator, whereas Jammu and Kashmir is located far away from the equator. And that is why we have got the differences in the duration of daytime and nighttime at Kashmir. Then the last point is that Kashmir lies farther away from the equator, that is 37 degree north, and experience a significant gap between the duration of day and the night that can extend as much as 3 to 5 hours. Since Kashmir is located far away from the equator, okay, the difference between day and the night is as much as 3 hours to 5 hours. So this is the answer. Okay, and about the explanation, see here, let us see this diagram. Remember that, okay, see, if the earth exists, just see this diagram, okay, if the earth exists where vertical, okay, not inclined, see here, in this case, the earth exists is vertical, it is not tilted, okay, and just you must know that if the earth exists where vertical, then there will be, okay, equal duration of daytime and nighttime everywhere on the earth surface, be it on the equator, along the equator, or maybe it on the along the Tropic of Cancer, or at 40 degree north, or at 66.5 degree north. Everywhere the duration, okay, between the daytime and the nighttime will be equal. See here, at 40 degree north, the duration of daytime and nighttime is 2 hours. See here, this side represents nighttime, okay, and here the duration of the nighttime is 12 hours, and here also the duration of the daytime is 2 hours. Likewise, along the equator also the duration of time will be, daytime will be 2 hours and duration of daytime would be 2 hours. That means everywhere the duration of the daytime and the nighttime will be equal if the axis of the earth were vertical. However, it is not so, okay. However, in reality, it is not so. Our earth's axis is inclined, okay, from the vertical plane by 23 degree 30 minutes. Okay, so our earth axis is inclined in this way. Let's see here, it is inclined in this way. Okay, so this is the axis. So this is the axis of the earth, and it is inclined, okay, from the vertical plane by how many degrees? By 23.5 degree. Okay, see here, our earth axis is inclined for 23 degree 30 minutes, and that is why with the change of the season you will find differences in the daytime and the nighttime in different places of the earth. Okay, so here in this case, so the earth axis is inclined towards the sun. Okay, so let us assume our sun is here, and these are the sun's rays. Okay, so in this case our earth axis is inclined towards the sun, and at this time along the equator, okay, see here we have the equator here, 0 degree. Okay, here we have the equator. So along the equator there will be equal daytime and the nighttime, 2 hours. See here, along the equator we have this equal daytime, so and a nighttime. Okay, just see here, this side we have this daytime 2 hours. Okay, and here we have nighttime. So this is nighttime. Okay, that is 2 hours. That means just see, the length is the same. Okay, here, see here, see here, the length of the line here and the length of the line here the same. Okay, however, see at 23, see at 23.5 degree north, that is along the Tropic of Cancer, just let us see here. Okay, here the daytime is 13 hours 30 minutes. Okay, here in this case daytime is longer than the nighttime, and see here this section represents the nighttime. So this is, okay, so this is the nighttime. Just see here, this side represents the nighttime. Okay, and you will see that this daytime is longer than the nighttime. Okay, just see here, see the line, see the length of the line. Okay, see the length of the line here. The red line represents a nighttime, and see this side represents the nighttime, and this red line is shorter than the blue light, blue line. That means here at this place the daytime is longer than the nighttime. So this is the case of summer. And again along 40 here, okay, just along 40 here, see, again it is longer along the 40. Okay, along 40 the duration of the daytime is 15 hours. Okay, and here in this case again the nighttime is again very short here. Here this is the, okay, nighttime, and here it is very short. And likewise see here along the this 66.5 degree north, then there will be 24 hours daytime, no nighttime. Just see here the sun's light illuminated up to here. Okay, just see here. And whereas see in the southern hemisphere, see here in the case of southern hemisphere, okay, here along the 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn, here the nighttime is very long. Okay, nighttime is longer than the daytime. And here in this case the daytime, okay, the daytime is only 10 hours 30 minutes. So in this way, along 40 we have 9 hours daytime, okay, and along the 66 half degree, that is Antarctic Circle, there will be no daytime. Okay, so likewise in the other case, when we are in the winter season, when the northern hemisphere is in the winter season, okay, in this case our Earth exists size away from the sun in this case. So here we have the axis, okay, so this is the axis of the Earth, and here this is the vertical plane, okay, so it inclines away from the sun. And in this case, again, just see here, Jammu and Kashmir, you know, is in the northern hemisphere, okay, and we also have known the location here. Jammu and Kashmir is located at around 37 degree north, okay, 37 degree north. Just see here we have 23 half degree, and between 40 and 23, somewhere here, okay, somewhere here we have this Jammu and Kashmir, okay. And see here, when we are in the this in the winter season, okay, so here we get a longer night time. See here, we have longer night time and we have shorter daytime. Just see here, okay, so we have these 10 hours 30 minutes daytime. So in this way, depending on the location of the place, okay, there will be differences in the duration of daytime and nighttime. And if you are located, okay, if you are located along the equator or nearby the equator, then you will not get the differences between the daytime and the nighttime. Along the equator, so you will get 2 hours daytime and 2 hours nighttime. But if you move away from the equator towards the poles, towards the North Pole or towards the South Pole, then the differences between the daytime and the nighttime will be increased, as you are seeing here. If your house is located along the 23 half degree, then in the winter season you will get only 10 hours, 10 and a half hours daytime. And if your house is located at 40 degree north, in winter season you will get only 9 hours daytime, okay. And if your house is located, okay, at 66 half degree, then you will never get this sunshine in the winter season. Likewise, if your house is located in the South Pole, then you will get 24 hours daytime, okay. So in this way, depending on the location of your place, then there will be differences in the daytime and nighttime, okay. So are you clear? Any question from your side, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Okay, so actually you might have learned about the causes of the season, and as I explained you earlier, our Earth axis is inclined in this way, and because of this inclination also we have summer season and winter season, and it is associated, okay, the change of the season is also associated with the change in this nighttime and the daytime, okay. So let us stop here for today. Thank you very much for joining my class.